I am over here at house number 2. That's the laundry room and then the kitchen. So mostly the house needs flooring and like new wall stuff, but you could live in it, just clean and sweep. I clean this room. Here we go. Um, I think this will be the guest room, maybe. Here's the bathroom. Me and the guy that I'm buying it from, we're talking about making a wall right here so that anybody can get to the restroom. I don't know. We'll see. And because that's the only bathroom. This is the main, I guess, living room when you walk in the other door of the house. So there's that door, and then there's this door over here that comes from the kitchen. And that is the door to the basement. To this room, I was thinking, I'm about to sweep this room. I swept the other rooms. This will be Kimmett's room, maybe. And then so this, so you see this floor and this area needs some work, but I can live in here. It's not the end of the world. This room I was gonna make my room. It's gonna be my room.